Good morning, everyone. Just real quick, I wanted to show you guys what I'm talking about with AI here and how to use it to help you improve your papers. I was thinking of it as a step in the revision process, though you could certainly use it to help you with drafting and things like that, just provided you ask the right questions. Now, one of the dangers is, of course, plagiarism. You don't want to cut and paste what ChatGPT has said into your own paper, but still, you can use it to help with drafting. So let's say I'm going to input a paragraph that's part of a larger essay. And let's say in the past, my teacher has told me I need to work on development. So what I'm going to say here is my teacher has told me I need to work on development. Uh, can you please help me do that with this paragraph? There we go. So here we go. So it offers, what paragraph, and then says more specifically what to do about it. So it looks like you're off to a solid start, clear idea, good foundation. Expand your explanation, and it gives you some insights as to why. Understand why money has power. Add examples, so real world examples or hypothetical examples. Add a concluding sentence. So they've gone ahead and revised the paragraph for us, and of course that's the danger. So we need to ask another question. We can say something along the lines of, I am concerned about plagiarism. Can you help me develop the paragraph more without providing an example paragraph? And then throw in please, because it's always nice. And so then it gives you more of a prompt. So it'll ask you questions that you can answer. So, what do I exactly mean by money as a vote? Why is this important for the reader to understand? Explain boycotting more fully. How does boycotting work? What is it? What's the goal of it? Add contrast or alternatives, right? So essentially what ChatGPT is doing here is it's kind of serving like a very, very focused personal tutor. And so long as you guide it towards helping you avoid plagiarism, you really don't have anything to worry about. Now, if you were to answer all of those questions right there, those 5 questions, you would indeed end up with a much more well-developed paragraph. And then, after that, you can say things like, my teacher also mentions I have a lot of fragments. Did you see any? All right, so there's that one sentence that could be a problem. It's technically not, but it could be. And so it'll tell you about that. And, well, here it's saying instead of what about letting your money be your vote, one way people like to. So again, it's changing it for you. Can you help me change the sentence without providing an example? Again, I don't want to plagiarize. Right? So it gives you examples here. So turn it into a full sentence. It gives you instructions for specifically how to avoid certain, like the writing error that you ask about in your essay. So anyway, so that's what I was going to show you guys today is, I really do like AI and I really think it is a valuable tool. But I also think that we can use it in ways that don't get us into trouble with plagiarism. We don't want to let it write for us, but we can ask it to guide us. We can ask it to help us. Again, think of it like your really smart friend who's just kind of asking you questions to help you think things through on your own. So I'm going to leave this for you guys now. Please let me know if you have any questions.